Alright, back to my channel, YouTube channel. Alright, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And right now, I would like to share with you one of these, the NASA open moon rock sample sealed since Apollo mission. So basically, this is the rock that found in this uh, YouTube, okay, which you can find here. This is one of the specimen, right? Okay, and basically right now in front of me right now there is a magnetic field, all right, detector, and I found this rock by the sea in Penang, right? So this is so unique rock, all right, can see the hole. And um, I believe this is part of this moon rock that fall in the sea during this uh, high impact from the sky and fall to the sea, which is caused the air hole, okay, ruang udara yang memasuki atmosphere yang terbakar. Okay, you can see the shape is my size of my palm, right, right, my size of my palm, and you can see the hole right over here, right. There's a few holes that link to the another side. So basically I suspect that this is a moon rock that fall from the sky. It belongs to the moon, and when it fall to the sea, it turns into a top coral. It become a coral, sea coral. But the weight is very heavy. It's very heavy. It's very heavy, right? So basically, when I search on YouTube, I found out that one of these video in YouTube was titled uh, NASA Open Moon Rock Sample Sealed since Apollo mission. So basically, the Apollo mission um, has one of the sample which is similar to this rock that I have right now in front of me. All right. So basically, this probably is a moon rock specimen, right, that I found from the sea in Penang, Malaysia. So um, the size is quite big and it's also heavy. Alright, now let me check whether this moon rock has any magnetic field. Alright, in front of me right now alright is one of these magnetic field. Let me check whether the magnetic field do increase while I'm searching on the moon rock. Alright, so let me try to get it whole right now. Okay, so okay, let me put it here. Let me see whether there any change on this magnetic field. Basically, there is some change on the magnetic field, or it's increased to 90, 80. All right. I'm not sure whether it's real or not. Okay, let me put some uh, uh let me put some stick on it. All right, so that it becomes solid right here. Right. So let me check on this magnetic field whether it's increased. Oh, I think it's increased to 200. 100. So basically this magnetic field has some connection with this moon. Alright, I'm not sure whether it's real. As you see right in front of you right now, it increased to 100 over on this magnetic field on the different side of angle right here in front of you. Alright, so I'm not sure how it, I just calibrate it. Alright, alright. So I think there's a magnetic field that has connection with this rock. Right, it increased to 300. Amazing. So oh my god, so basically it has some magnetic field in this magnetic rock. Right, you see, it's just a normal 36, 37, 36, 37. But this specimen that I found in in the sea has some change again. It increased to 100, 200, 500. Oh my god, 400. So it has a strong magnetic field in this specimen rock in front of me. Alright, so this is amazing. It's similar, look the same that I found. It's very heavy, probably around 1.5 kg. Right, 1.5 kg. It has a hole, and let me play on this NASA. What it said. Specimen rock. Alright, that found on NASA during this since Apollo mission. Alright, so remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So wow, so I'm considered lucky to find this rock from the moon, batu yang jatuh dari bulan. Tapi ada orang kata yang batu ni adalah batu karang, batu karang. Huh? It's the coral, but I believe this is not just a normal coral, which is you can see the design of this rock is holes, the air holes, uh, lubang udara, lubang udara yang boleh dikatakan seolah-olah batu ini jatuh dari angkasa lepas dan membentuk udara, ruang udara dan mengeluarkan lubang, air holes. Right, you can see the shape. It's like on fire. So this is this moon rock. Alright, subscribe to my channel. Bye.